So this is a NAT problem related to the trigonometrical leveling. So let's see the discussion for this question. बोला गया है the vertical angle subtended by the top of the tower T, this is the point T, at two instrument stations set up at P and Q. So first time we have set up the instrument at P, next time we have set up the instrument at Q, you can say. So are shown in the figure. The two stations are in a line with the tower and spaced at a distance of 60 meter. The distance between the instrument position P and Q is given as 60 meter in the question, and readings taken from these two stations on the leveling staff placed at a benchmark of 450 meter. So this is the benchmark, point benchmark, and the staff reading that we have taken from the instrument station P and instrument station Q are given as 0.555, as you can see in the diagram, and 2.555 meter. So what is the in the question they have asked? They have asked what will be the RL of the point capital T. You need to find out the RL of point T. तो हम लोगों ने क्लास में भी डिस्कस कर रखा है कि जब टिक्नोमेट्री का इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन होता है जहां पर हम लोगों ने इंस्ट्रूमेंट को दो पोजीशन पे प्लेस किया है, तो वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट टू अननोन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ टू इक्वेशंस. तो एक तो स्टेशन क्यू से टावर का जो बॉटम पॉइंट है बी, इसके बीच की डिस्टेंस क्या है ये मुझे नहीं पता, इसको मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया वी. तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन एंड हाउ वी कैन get the RL of the top of the point T. So simply I can write RL of the benchmark that is given in the question, that is 450 meter. Distance between the two stations P and Q is given as 60 meter. So in a triangle BET, so this is your point B, this is your point B, this is your point E. So let's see. Here we have used the equation tan 16 degree 5 minute. Okay. So we are using this triangle. So let's say this is your point BET. So we are using this triangle. So this tan 16 degree 5.5 degree will be equal to TB by you can write TB by this distance y that we have assumed, तो x by y vertical distance we have assumed as x, और यहाँ से मैं y की वैल्यू निकाल सकता हूँ in the form of x, and that we are getting as 3.3759x. Similarly, another triangle we are using for which the vertical angle is given as 10.5 degree. So from there I can write 10.5 degree will be equal to x plus 2 divided by 60 plus y. And यहाँ से मैंने x की वैल्यू निकाल ली, that we are getting as 24.353 meter. Now when I will put this value of x here, I will get the value of y. तो सेम थिंग हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर कर ली. So the RL of the tower will be equal to RL of T will be equal to 450 benchmark tower plus backside reading, that is from station Q, that is 2.555, and that distance x just we have calculated plus 24.356. So final RL we are getting as 476.911 meter. So 476.911 meter is going to be the RL of this point T, 476.911 मीटर. सो यहाँ पर मीटर में ही आपसे आंसर पूछा गया है, तो आप यहाँ पर सिंपली फिल कर देंगे 476.911 मीटर इज गोइंग टू बी द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. तो सिंपल दो इक्वेशन दो अननोन, फॉर दैट दो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस रिक्वायर्ड थे, वो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस आपको क्वेश्चन में प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं. सो द आंसर इज फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी 476.911 मीटर.